What do you get when you cross fog with haze? That would be Faze. This is the American DJ Fog Fury Faze. My first question, why even bother with smoke? It makes a massive difference to the look of your light show. Here is without smoke, and here is with. The smoke brings out all the beams of light in the air and makes your light show much more dynamic and exciting. It really adds a lot of impact to your light show. So there's different types of smoke machines, mainly fog machines or smoke machines and haze machines. Now the Fog Fury Faze is what's known as a phase machine, and it combines the best of both worlds. Now in an upcoming video I'm going to talk in detail about the differences between fog, haze and phase, but for now let me just go over the basics. Now a standard fog machine produces a thick jet of smoke. One of the main problems with foggers is the smoke dissipates very quickly. To keep a venue filled you need to be sending out jets of smoke every few minutes, and blasting your audience with a thick cloud of smoke isn't exactly subtle. Now fog machines use water-based fluid. Haze machines, on the other hand, are designed to output a constant thin mist, which is much better for filling a venue with an even coverage of smoke, and a haze machine uses oil-based fluid. A phase machine produces the same thin mist you would get from a proper haze machine, but it doesn't use oil-based fluid. It uses the standard water-based fluid you'll find in a fog machine. So now we've got all that stuff out of the way, we can look at the Fog Fury Faze itself, and I really like the design. It has a solid metal casing with a nice two-tone colour scheme. On the top we have a carry handle, and the removable 2-litre tank for your smoke fluid. I think it's really important to have a removable tank on any smoke or haze machine. It makes emptying out the fluid and cleaning the machine just so much easier. The Fog Fury Faze features an automated cutoff to protect the pump when the fluid runs dry. The tank is also illuminated with several LEDs, which tell you what the machine is doing. If the tank is red, the hazer is heating up. Green means ready to use, and flashing indicates low fluid. I think this is a really nice feature. A quick glance over at your phase machine and you can easily see what's going on. You have additional LED indicators on the back of the machine, a power LED along with an additional low fluid indicator. On the back you'll also find your connections with IEC power input and a 1/4-inch jack connection for your remote control. Included in the box you get a remote control with a 25-foot long cable. That's about 7.5 meters for those on metric. The remote allows for manual burst control, continuous output and timer control, with adjustable duration and interval timing. Now when I first turned this guy on, it took me a while to figure out why the machine was randomly outputting bursts of haze. Turns out that when the timer LED is off, it actually means the timer is on. A slightly odd design choice in my opinion, but it doesn't really affect how the unit works. Unfortunately the Fog Fury Faze doesn't include any Dmx Control, but for most DJs that doesn't really matter, a manual remote control will do just as well. One thing I think that's missing from this unit, and in fact most hazer or smoke machine products I've used, is a manual override switch. If you were to accidentally leave your remote control at home, you wouldn't be able to output any smoke at all. The addition of a simple switch on the back that would just output continuous smoke would be a great addition. Inside the case is a 700-watt heater, which allows the Fog Fury Faze to heat up in around 5 minutes. This phase machine can output 1,000 cubic feet per minute. And on the front you have an adjustable scoop, so you can angle the direction of the haze. I much prefer to use haze machines over fog machines. With fog machines you have to deal with a big burst of smoke that slowly disperses in the room, whereas a hazer gives you a nice even coverage, giving an even amount of haze throughout the entire venue. Now the Fog Fury Faze here takes the best of both worlds, the effect of a hazer while being more like a fog machine on the inside. Thanks to the Fog Fury Faze you can get the effect of a hazer without the larger price tag. I think this is a fantastic piece of kit, solid build construction and very affordable. If you want to find out more information about it, I'll include some links in the description down below. But that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please do hit that like button down below, and as always, thanks for watching.